If your Qubo camera isn't scanning the QR code during setup, don't worry, this is usually a simple fix. Start by cleaning both the camera lens and your phone screen. Even a small smudge can blur the QR code enough to prevent scanning. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe the camera lens, then clean your phone display so the QR code appears sharp and clear. Next, increase your phone's brightness to maximum. QR codes require strong contrast to be detected properly. Hold your phone about 6 to 8 inches away from the camera. Too close can make the code blurry. Too far can make it unreadable. Slowly adjust the distance until you hear the confirmation sound. Make sure the QR code stays bright and doesn't dim or rotate. Disable screen timeout temporarily so it remains steady. Also, avoid glare. Strong light reflections can wash out the code. If it still won't scan, go back into the Qubo app and carefully re-enter your Wi-Fi name and password to generate a fresh QR code. As a final step, press and hold the camera's reset button for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear the reset prompt, then try setup again.